Let's discuss about our ISARK tracer. It mainly tackles four core problems. It uses rapid provenance verification, rapid recall management, compliance through smart contracts, and farmer-friendly eyewear interface. Rapid provenance verification. It is used to know the verified path of any batch, ensuring instant traceability. Rapid recall management. It automatically identifies the batch with contamination, and that particular batch is recalled. Smart contract validation, which ensures the data follows geofencing rules, seasonal restrictions, and quality threshold. If the data is verified, it proceeds to the next step. Otherwise, it recalls the batch. We will see this in farmer's point of view.
Yeah, without any delay, let us dive into the prototype demonstration. This is the main page of our ISARK Tracer platform. Here, they can select their role and log into their dashboard. Firstly, let us see the farmer dashboard. Here is the farmer login page, and they can select their language. And we are really working on to expand this multi-language support to everyone. And this is the farmer dashboard of a particular person. Here are the total batches. You can see the list of batches involved by the farmer. We can view even complete information of a particular batch. This is the basic information of that particular batch, like herd name, quantity, and amount. This is the IoT data that has been received from the IoT sensor automatically. And here is the GPS location of the farm of a particular farmer. And here he can directly upload the photos of that particular herb, or even he can directly send the photos via toll-free number through SMS with a particular batch ID. Before going to see that, let us see how a herb batch can be initiated by the farmer. For creating a herb batch for the farmer, we come up with an innovative idea like a farmer can call to a particular toll-free number, and this toll-free number uses IVR systems like it can be respond to the voice prompts of the farmer or even keypad inputs and create a batch ID and sends this batch ID to the farmer SMS. And through this SMS, he can upload the photos of the particular batch or even its complete details, and so that it will be uploaded to the blockchain directly.
FO incoming call. Welcome to the herb batch creation service. Enter your farmer ID. Select herb, 1 Tulsi, 2 Ashwagandha, 3 Brahmi. Thank you. Your batch B1759059306365 has been created for farmer Raju.
Our ISARK Tracer platform is not only for farmers. Let us see all the other roles. And this is the dashboard of the transporter. Here he can see the assigned batches to him and which batches are yet to be transported and when to transport and even where to transport. It contains complete details. And like he picks the herb batches from the farmer and he transports from one place to the other place, like next stage of the processor or even lab tested. Yeah, this is the lab tester page. Here, lab tester can upload the certificates of a particular batch, and the data of IoT device can be retrieved directly from the blockchain that has been inserted from the farmer page.
Let's have a look on the manufacturer page. Yeah, this is the manufacturer dashboard. Here we can have the overview of total number of batches and total number of batches in production, total number of batches which are processed, and total number of batches which are awaiting for QR code. Under, we can see the raw material inventory. That means which are the batches currently under the process of approval or already approved. These are the currently running batches. We are also having the pictorial representation of the total statistics of the production for the manufacturer. And here we can have the data related to the past herb batches which are completed and also the past products along with a QR code generated to give the complete journey. Regulatory dashboard. This dashboard is for government authorities like Ministry of Ayush. This dashboard enables a traceback of herbs journey using a product ID, which is useful for tracking the origin, verifying quality, monitoring compliance at each supply chain stage, and also supporting rapid calls and audit investigations. Here we can have the navigation options like dashboard overview, manufacturers, product details, investigations. Here we can having the total overview of number of manufacturers, total number of products, total number of herbs, total number of farmers, and total number of supply chain steps involved. Here we can have the statistics of past data involved in pictorial representation. Here we have 3 manufacturers. Let us consider manufacturer 1. In manufacturer 1, we are having 2 products. In first product, we are having 2 different kind of herb batches, and in second product, we are having 3 different kind of herb batches. Let us see the overview of first herb batch. Here, in the first herb batch, we are having 2 farmers. In this way, we can have multiple farmers along the supply chain. For each farmer, we are having the different supply chains. If we click on the view supply chain, it is how it will be giving the total overview of the journey. It is a data related to the farmer collection points where it is all each handoff chain is taking place and transportation, processor, and quality tester. In this way, every detail is provided. And we are here also having an important feature to trace back the journey or recall based upon the results. For example, like we are having a query that this product is having few problems. So to resolve this query, we cannot check each and every batch manually where the mistake has happened. So we can provide with the batch ID and we can know the details of that batch completely using the search. In this way, we can retrieve the data of this particular batch and check whether the mistake is happened or not. Is it fine or not?
This is the unique QR code generated on chain, affixed to the product packaging. On scanning this, we open a lightweight web portal which retrieves complete FHIR style provenance bundle detailing each upstream. These are the stages involved. This is the product journey map from farmer to manufacturer, having each end of, and this is showing the farmer's coordinates, timestamp, IoT data, and images of the harvesting. Details of the market aggregation from all cultivators. This is the stage, and this is the stage about processing steps like drying and making powder of the ashwagandha, where we are considering the example of the ashwagandha capsules. So this is the processing steps, and this stage involves the lab testing of the product and other information and certificates. We also can see the certificates here. We also can see the manufacturing steps and packaging steps and formulation, like those kinds of things in this stage. And after that, smart packaging, where this QR code is affixed to the product, and those details can be seen here, and the other details and quality assurance which are seen, which can be seen here. And uh, in each stage, the FIHR based rules are validated, and the stage is verified using smart contracts. These are the other details regarding them.